In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type meter square in PowerPoint. Whether you're drafting a presentation on architecture or sharing data that includes measurements, knowing how to display a square meter symbol correctly can make your slides look polished and professional. To begin, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Launching the application is straightforward. Just find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and give it a click. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you are working on. This could be a new project or an existing file where you need to include the meter square notation. Next, let's head over to the Insert tab. You'll find this tab on the top bar of your PowerPoint window, among other options like Home, Design and Transitions. Click on Insert, which provides various options for adding content to your slides. From this tab, locate the text box option. The text box is a handy tool that allows you to add any text to your slide, exactly where you want it. After clicking on the text box, navigate to the spot on your slide where you wish to place the meter square symbol. Click to create the text box and start typing M followed by the numeral 2. Now the trick is to make that 2 appear as a superscript to correctly symbolize square meters. Highlight the number 2 by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the 2 selected, go back to the top menu, but this time click on the Home tab. This tab is your go-to for slide formatting options, and here we'll find what's needed to adjust our text appearance. On the Home tab, take a look at the font group where you'll see a small button in the lower right corner, a font dialog box launcher. Clicking this will open a new window with advanced font options. In this dialog box, you'll see various choices such as font style and color. For our purpose, focus on the settings that pertain to text positioning. Look for the superscript option. This is where the magic happens. Check the box next to superscript. This action raises the 2 slightly above the text line, giving you the correct meter square notation. Don't forget to preview the changes if you need to adjust the scale of the superscript to match the rest of your text better. When everything looks just right, click OK to apply the settings. With these changes, you successfully have a meter square symbol on your slide, lending your presentation an extra touch of precision and professionalism. Continue using these steps whenever you need to include measurements in your PowerPoint projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.